Okay, come along with me as I make these Valentine's Day triple heart earrings. These are going to be new to my shop. I only will have 3, so they're kind of limited. If you're interested, they will be up on my shop fairly soon, so you can look out for that. And if you want to see how I make them, you can stay tuned and come along with me as I make them. Okay, so today I'm going to be making some Valentine's Day earrings. This is what the finished product will look like. You can see. I have a lot of different black stainless steel earring findings to use, different posts and dangles. So, but with different ones. But for what we are doing today, I think that the little dangles will be the best option. So I'm going to take a couple out so I have some ready to go. And I have different little finding loops to use. This is the size I picked. I have a little thing of all the different sizes, so I try and pick the one that has the best connection and lets it hang the right way. So I'm going to go ahead and put these pieces together, and sometimes they have different ways, like this one could be this way with the shine, or it could be matte. So you have to figure out what you think looks best and design your earring how you like it. I chose this way, and again, it comes out looking like that. So that will be our finished product. I'm going to go ahead and get started, and let's see. Start with the top, and this one is going to look like that. So I start off by just getting it in the hoop. And then taking and these are all black to match. I feel like I have to concentrate. Okay, so you can see I put the first one on. I'm gonna like fast forward through this as you see it, so I'll see you when I'm done with the next one. Okay, and this is our finished set of earrings. And there we go. Really cute Valentine's Day dangle earrings. Okay, so this is our final product. I've got 3 pairs of new Valentine's Day design triple hearts with a white heart, teal heart, and a teal and pink plaid heart. And I hope you enjoyed today's video, and I will see you next time.